Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how to. And today I'll be teaching you on how to transfer money from bank account to Revolut. So the first thing that you'll need to do is you have to click on or open your Revolut application on your device and then log into your account. After logging in, you'll be able to see these options right here. So you just have to click on the add money option. And then within the add money section, select the option for a regular bank transfer. This will lead you to the details of your Revolut bank account. So finally, you'll now see the details of your Revolut bank account. So you'll need to take note of these details for we are going to use that for the next process. And then after that, you'll be able to open your local bank's internet banking platform and logged in. And then you'll have to navigate to the section for money transfers and use the provided Revolut account details to send the desired amount to your Revolut account. And that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how to videos next time. Adios.